actually, this is something that I picked up in Antwerp. It is a coffee table
for goodness sake.
It just says good times.
Why is my brush broken? Why? How did that even happen?
It's kind of like a scrapbook, so it's like a big black kind of book.
Today really is not my day.
I'm just going to put loads of photos and stuff in because firstly, I
really
enjoy doing that.
It's not my day. I say it again.
I would actually look through it and like.
Today's not my day.
I really enjoy that. Going to someone else's house.
Look at that.
Flicking through like a photo album.
That's supposed to be the brush.
Coffee table. So I picked that up, and actually there was no.
Right. It's fine. Like, it's fine. Positive thoughts, positive energy.
Also slightly different things in there.
We'll be fine.
If you can get them in the UK, which I'm sure you can because it's English.
Can't even lie. I can't see. To stop that, just watching some YouTube videos. Which way should I turn? This way. That's where the light is. Good. Good morning, guys. It is a date that I don't know. I'll put it here. And I just wanted to vlog. I'm home. I've been watching some YouTube videos and I forget how much YouTube videos inspire me. So now I'm really annoyed that I left my camera at uni. I should probably say I'm home from uni for like the Christmas holidays. I have exams and essays due after this and I'm actually like really procrastinating because I'm addicted to YouTube now again. Yeah. I sound really raspy. Does anyone like their cold voice? I love it. I don't know why. That voice when you have a cold and you sound a bit like raspy. So yeah, today these vlogs will be filmed on my phone and my hand is already hurting me, so not really sure how this is gonna go. Today, let me just, oh yeah, that's better. Today I am going into town. I was meant to go yesterday, but it was getting late and it gets really dark and I want to go to the park and just kind of like stroll around the park. And look at the leaf. Well, I don't know if there'll be any leaves still. It's winter or autumn, but anyway, we'll see how far I get because it's a long trek and it's out my way to go to the park and then walk back home again. So, you know, we'll see how that goes. I don't have any money because obviously I'm a uni student and I'm poor and I didn't get a job in the first semester. So there'll be no purchases, unfortunately. So it'll literally just be me walking around the shop and hopefully they've got their Christmas lights on in the day so that I can see them and feel the Christmas spirit. Feeling very Christmassy this year. Yeah, so I'm going to bring you guys along with me. I don't know whether I'm going to make this like just a vlog for today or I'm going to like spread it and make it or if I'm going to film a few days of me being home and then hopefully when I get back to uni, not making any promises, I start like filming stuff again. You know, I just like to film when I film, you know? It means it's a good content rather than just trying to push out stuff that I just can't really be bothered, but I know I want to put stuff out, if that makes sense. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave now, well, try to leave now, because I think it might rain a bit later, so we're hoping. I don't want to wear my raincoat. I've got my other really fluffy nice coat that I really want to wear, so let's just hope I can get to town before it starts drizzling, raining, looking all wet and soppy, and before it gets busy, because I'm sure people will be leaving school early today because it's the last Friday before Christmas, so I think people will break up today, and I probably chose a really wrong day to go to town and film and vlog, so I'm not really sure how that's gonna go. Probably won't film much in there, not gonna lie, because I get in and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna like, you know, go to town, film, and then I see people and I get really scared, and then I'm like self-conscious, and I'm just like, so I already know if talking to my camera while I'm walking around by myself, it's gonna be a good idea. So let me go now. I'm making my Christmas tree. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna head out and see where today takes me. Hopefully it's a good one. See you in a bit. So you know how I said that today really isn't my day. It turns out I can't find my gloves, so gonna be a pretty cold day. Forgot all my hats at uni, so don't have any of those. And for some reason it's really windy today. Like, where's the storm? Why am I blowing? Why am I moving? But yeah, we're on a mission. We're going to town and we're going to do it. You'll see what had happened was basically I left. You saw it was windy, it was busy, there was people leaving school, it was cold, didn't have my gloves, didn't have a hat. So basically I just did a U-turn into my ass right back home because I don't have any money to be spending. Also, I realised that it's 1:30 and I haven't eaten before I left the house, which means that I would have had to buy food out. At tonight there's food at home. There's really not food at home, but when you go to uni there's always food at home. So basically I'm just gonna stay home. I just really needed to get out of the house, to be fair, so it was nice just to leave, actually put on some decent clothes for once, like not just have a bath and then put on my pyjamas again. I'm gonna stay home, do some work, because I've been doing work every day, but I just feel like I haven't done enough, because that's just how I am. It's never enough. Never enough. Yeah, I haven't just sat down and like properly been at it, basically. And you know, I've been at school for a few years now, and I'm really just kind of over this whole revision work-ish. Like, don't get to relax on Christmas. Like, really? Not here for it. But we're still in our first year, so we've got to keep going for the next 2 years. Well, 2? Yeah, whatever. Half the year's already over, so next 2.5 years we have to be at it until that's done, and then we can do whatever we want, possibly. Also just realised that my house, coming home, is like coming home to a black hole. Like, everything I've lost about 3 things now in this house, and I've been here since it's Friday, and I've been here since last Friday, so I've been here for a week and I've already lost 3 things. So not too sure about that one. That's really going to annoy me, because if I can't find it, then it's going to stay on my mind until I can find it. And it's just really going to aggravate me, the fact that I've just lost something, and it's going to be like, but how has it vanished? How? But for some reason this house just manages to suck things into a mysterious hole and it never comes back out again. I need to go find some food because I'm getting a headache. I keep having, like, my sleeping patterns are really, really off. Like, I've been going to bed no earlier than like 3 a.m. basically, and that's not like me. Like, at uni I do go to bed quite late, but it's not like every single day that I'll be able to do that. But here it's been a week and I've been doing it every single day basically, and then waking up about 12. So we understand the issue here. Every day she's tired, every day she doesn't want to work, she just wants to binge watch YouTube videos until it's time to go to bed, and then she still wants to binge watch more YouTube videos. Okay, I'm just gonna work. We're doing a montage of me doing some work. I'm gonna get some food first, and yeah, I'm really sorry that I didn't go to town, but I'm sure I'll be able to get a lift to town one of these days. I'm here for a few weeks. Yeah, I didn't think walking was something that I needed to do. Not gonna lie. Just didn't really think walking was something I needed to do at this stage of my life, so decided to take my ass back home. Like my dad usually buys for Christmas. My dad will get like the drinks and like desserts, and then my mum will get like the food. So I'm sure I'll be going shopping with him and my mum sometime soon, so I'll bring you along for that because that's quite quite a Christmassy endeavour. Is that the right word? Quite a Christmassy adventure? Who knows? I'm not a dictionary. Hi guys, so it just came to my attention that the Pink Lady apples are artificially and GMO'd made, and they tell me that they're sweet and sparkling. Like, look here, sweet and sparkling. I squeezed one of the apples and I heard it making weird sounds. I heard the fizzing, and I just don't want my apples to be fizzing. Is that so much to ask for? So I just don't know whether I want to eat these because I heard on the interweb how these apples be changing people and how they mess with your digestive systems, how they mess with, oh my God, I'm so sorry, I'm not used to this this phone thingamabob that they have here. So what I was saying is apples such as the Pink Lady apples are GMO and they are artificially made. So you should be careful about what kind of apples you'll be eating and how these apples will be affecting your lives and how they affect your life expectancy so I just want to come here, send this video to your friends, to your family, people you love, if you want them to live long and healthy lives and not eat the Pink Lady apples, because they will be doing bad things to your stomach. I'll tell you. Okay, this is me signing off, and goodbye guys. I'll see you in my next video. Oh, I'm still filming.
Here, I'm gonna edit it the rest of the night and then head to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog.
I am so confused.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Right guys, it is a little bit later now. It's a lot of a bit. It is a lot later now. It's actually 6 o'clock. I made some lunch and my dad took me out for a drive, as in like I was driving because I failed my driving test, so she still got practice. So I went out, picked my sister up from work, and now I think I'm just gonna like chill on the sofa for a bit because I'm in charge of the oxtail soup that we're having tonight. So and I started that really late. Oops, sorry mum. So I'm gonna watch this movie, The Christmas Inheritance, on Netflix. It seems quite good. I've watched a bit already, but yeah, I didn't finish it and it seems okay. So I'm just gonna watch some of that, relax on the sofa, and then later on today, with my dad. As I said, my dad usually gets the drinks, so we're gonna go drinks and like dessert shopping, I think, for Christmas, Boxing Day. Yeah, for Christmas and Boxing Day, and the other days after that where it still feels really festive, but I need to eat all the leftovers. Yeah, can't wait. Usually it's my sister and dad thing, but do you know what? I'm vlogging, so we're gonna tag along. We're gonna annoy them. I'm joking. Yeah, and my McDonald's, just my Asda's have just got a McDonald's. We literally have a McDonald's like just up the road, and McDonald's literally another 10 minutes up the road, if even that, and now one just behind me. Like, do they want me to be fat? They want everyone to be obese. Like, they have obesity signs, but then they have McDonald's everywhere. Questionable. Society fix up. Also, just realised, got my essay back, and I got a first, which I'm really, really happy about. This is my second essay, and the other one I got a 2-1, so it's improving. I feel like I've set a really high standard for myself, so if it's lower than this, I feel like I'm gonna be disappointed. But yeah. Okay, I think I've just recorded a whole like outro and then realised that my headphones were plugged in, and apparently they don't record sound with headphones. Is it just mine? I don't know. I'm just gonna check this. This will be the tester. We'll see what's happening. Yep, it was just me because the headphones need to be plugged out to make sound come through or something. Who knows? Technology ill. What I was saying was that I only recorded 2 clips in Asda's, which was this one. And also this one. Say hello. I can like that meme. Sorry, and also oh gosh, I want a raspy voice, not no voice, like chill. My video is like 20 minutes long, so I'm gonna just stop it here and make this into a spend the day with me type of video. Wow, that was really complicated to say. Spend the day with me type of video, because yeah. And this outro does not need to be any longer than the video needs to be, so I'm just gonna make it short and sweet. I will see you in my next one. Anything else I film, I'm really enjoying this vlogging thing, so I'm sure I'll vlog again since I'm home. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye, see you in my next one.